Hi, my name is Jamie Kitchen, and today I'm excited to talk to you about our TR6 expansion valve. The TR6 expansion valve is a little bit different. We utilize this as a universal aftermarket valve as well as a OEM valve, original equipment manufacturer. What sets this valve apart from others is that it has a built-in check valve. The built-in check valve allows it to be used in both air conditioning and heat pump systems. In a heat pump, when it switches from cooling to heating, the refrigerant direction reverses. In a normal TXV, you cannot have the flow reverse through the valve. So you would need a check valve external to the valve to bypass that valve when it switches modes. With this one, you don't have to do that. When it switches from cooling to heating, the check valve opens and it literally bypasses the valve internally. This reduces the need for extra brazing, extra welds, and saves a lot of time. The valve also comes with, in a kit, the insulating tape, the bulb strap, and all the fittings required, chatlift, Aeroquip, and flare, to attach it to just about everybody's refrigeration distributor feeding into the evaporator. Thank you, have a great day, and for more information, please visit our website, danfoss.us.